Metadata Utility reports paths in use. The main switchboard. Click on Reports Switchboard, followed by clicking on Metadata Utility Reports Switchboard, followed by clicking on Paths in Use. This will open up Metadata Utilities Paths in Use report, which is designed to show under the current built metadata library which current paths as selected in Path Builder 1 and Path Builder 2 are currently in use. This is particularly necessary or important to double check for those users that may need to double check in Windows Media Center that the current paths where the movies that Windows Media Center requires access to are stored, that those paths are indeed entered in Windows Media Center. To do so, take note of each of the values as we see in the full path on the report. Then launch Windows Media Center and select Settings, followed by clicking on Media Libraries, followed by clicking on Movies, on clicking Next, followed by selecting first Remove Folders from the library, and continue by selecting Next. Once in this section in Windows Media Center, proceed with verifying each of the paths as seen in the report are indeed listed here. Make a note of any of the full paths that are not listed in Windows Media Center, as it will be required to enter those in the following step. Once that list has been reviewed and those additional paths that need to be entered have been identified, click on Back in Windows Media Center to just go one step back from where we were, and then select Add Folders to the library. And click Next, followed by selecting Let me manually add a shared folder, and clicking Next. And on this last step, each of the paths from the report that were not seen registered in Windows Media Center, proceed with entering those paths in the share folder as seen in the example here, and continue by clicking Next. Repeat this last step as many times as necessary until All the additional missing paths, if applicable, have been entered. Once that has been completed, then Windows Media Center has been configured to properly reflect each of the share folder paths as seen in the report paths in use. For any questions with regard to this topic, we welcome our users to visit our website, or additionally, we have additional videos in which we dive into detailed descriptions step by step, as well as have our website where we have detailed instructions also step by step how to properly configure Metadata Utility, as well as to many of the other functionalities that Metadata Utility is capable of, that enables users to take control and manage their Windows Media Center, movie library, metadata information. For that information, we welcome our users to visit our website at metadatautility.com for more information. We thank you for watching.